I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need a live internet connection and the right account. That matters because Sync talks to Google servers. First, open Settings, go to Accounts, choose your Google account, and find Contacts Sync. Toggle it off, wait 5 seconds, then toggle it on again. Once done, disable battery optimization for contacts and Google Play services so Android won't pause background sync. This initial step forces a fresh handshake and often fixes simple mismatches. It's quick and prepares your device for deeper fixes if required. Now focus on apps and permissions because blocked access stops sync. You should open App Info for contacts and Google Play services, ensure contacts and storage permissions are allowed, and enable background data. Next, clear the cache for both apps. If problems persist, clear app data. Note this may remove local-only contacts. Restart the phone to apply changes. Make sure contacts, Google Play services, and Play Store are updated. Outdated components can fail to authenticate or merge changes between device and cloud. For a full reset, remove the Google account from Settings, right arrow Accounts, then reboot and re-add it. This forces a complete resync and often restores missing entries. Once reconnected, check Contacts. Google.com to confirm the cloud copy is intact. If cloud data is missing, device fixes won't help. If issues persist, reset app preferences to restore background permissions or run the account troubleshooter in Google Settings. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, export your contacts as a vCard, then import after a fresh account add that recovers local-only data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.